So today we are celebrating a National Sports Day. So I would request you to Principal Ma'am and Director Sir, please come on stage for lighting the lamp. Give me strength to contribute in building of healthy and physical fit nation. I pledge to maintain a mentally and physically fit body, taking part in any form of sports and physical activity. I pledge that I shall commit myself to ensure that the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play is fully adhered to in sports and in life. I pledge to encourage and motivate my family, fellow citizens and children to play at least one game, contribute in making of a strong and healthy nation. Hands down. Sit down.
Now on the stage we have Dhyan Chand from men's hockey field, and also we have Rani Rampal from women's hockey team. Her achievements are: at the age of 14, she was the first youngest player in women's hockey team from India. Her winning awards are Padma Shri in 2020, Khel Ratna Award in 2020, and Arjuna Award in 2016. We are very proud on our players and grateful that we have gems for our India. Okay. Okay, so now on the stage we have stars of cricket field, Sachin Tendulkar and Mithali Raj. Let me give you introduction of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, also known as God of Cricket, he is the first player to score 100 international century. He won 2011 ICC World Cup for India. He is awarded with Bharat Ratna Award, which is highest civilian award. Now I am going to give you introduction of Mithali Raj. She is also known as Lady Sachin.
She is highest run scorer in women's international cricket. She became captain of women's Indian cricket team twice, 2005 and 2017. She is the first woman to play 60 ODI World Cup.
Now on the stage we have two gems of football field, Sunil Chetri and Balaji. Let me give you a short introduction of Sunil Chetri. He is the all-time top scorer for India. He made both goal 93 international goals. He is the among top 3 active goal scorers. He won multiple state championship and Nehru Cup.
Now let me give you introduction of Bala Devi. She is the first Indian woman to play professional football in Europe. She won Padma Shri Award in 2021. She is one of the top scorer in Indian Women Football League.
Now on the stage from badminton field we have well-known player Prakash Padukone from men team and PV Sindhu from women team. Let me give you a quick introduction of Prakash Padukone from badminton. He is the first Indian badminton player to win All England Open badminton competition in 1980. He is the world number one formal player. He won Arjun Award, Padma Shri Award for his excellence.
Now let me give you an introduction of PV Sindhu. She won 2 Olympics medal for India. Silver medal in 2016 in Rio and bronze medal in 2020 in Tokyo. She is first Indian woman to do World Championship in 2019. She won Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for her excellence work.
Now on the stage, we have Gorika Singh from karate field and self-defense. She known for her
इधर आवाज आ रही है
She is known for her excellent karate and self-defense training. Gorika Singh is a martial artist from India. She spread awareness about women safety and empowerment through martial arts programs. Now our students are going to perform a self-defense. Wow, martial arts performance.
Now on the stage we have Maharishi Patanjali. He is well known as father of yoga. He organized the philosophy of yoga which includes discipline, posture, breath control, concentration and medicinal. He taught the world how to connect body, mind and soul. field.
Okay, thank you so much.
Everybody put your hands in the air. 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 Esto es para la familia zumbera. La zumba buena. Aquí tengo de nuevo. Síguelo. La zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba buena te gusta, esa es la que te toca, esa es la que te coge. La zumba buena se baila, ya sé que tú camela, mi zapatito quieres. Cusa, y sobre sola, loncha y luego la cabeza. Te liberta y la luna, vas tu buena chance. Tu café yo guay, tu muloca guay, mi osopo guay, 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 guay. La 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 la. La la la, la zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba buena. La zumba buena te lleva y por donde tú quieras. Yo quiero te cante. Venga de nuevo, nena, síguelo. No te olvides lo que síguelo. Y ya, muévelo, pa' que me quede tranquilo. Vini, huesa, martinina, café, mucho poco, traina, panita, venga, cumbia, carea, vemos. Vini, huesa, tu café, yo guay, tu muloca guay, mío, supo guay, 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 guay. La 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 la. La zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba buena. Ahora no sé cómo le se puche. Dale sexy zumba, dale sexy zumba, dale, 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 dale sexy zumba, dale sexy zumba, dale, 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 dale. Zumba será, 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 la zumba será, 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 la zumba será, 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 la zumba será, la zumba será, la zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba será, la 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 la. La zumba buena. La 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 la. La zumba será, la 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 la. La zumba buena. La zumba será. Nice clapping.
That's clapping.
Okay. Umbrella pose. Now the second pose is lotus pose. All you all are saying, this is the lotus pose. मेहनत कर पसीना बहा रुकना और थकना है मना जीत न चाहे कर तू यहाँ कर खुद को तैयार जरा Okay, so now next pose is Eiffel Tower. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. This is the Eiffel Tower pose. Now the next pose is collapse the bridge. This is a collapse the bridge. तो यही था पोज कोलैप्स होना मतलब गिर जाना ब्रिज बना करके गिर जाना दैट इज अ कोलैप्स द ब्रिज द नेक्स्ट पोज इज क्लॉक पोज This is a clock pose.
तो मालूम है अखरोट का बिजनेस करते हैं.
Now the next pose is meditative pose.
ये दिल की मशाले जोश से जला के जलती लपटों को हमने हाथों में है थाम लिया है वो कर जाना के साला
All are meditative pose.
फिर देगा मिसाला यारों सबको अपने काम दिया
उन्हें तस्वीर चाहिए और हमें उनका सर। Are you ready, boys? How's the judge? How's the judge?
Now the next pose is big pyramid pose. Big pyramid pose. Okay, dear students, all the girls. All the girls. All the girls. Once again, all the girls. You all are seeing now big pyramid pose. Clap it.